OpenAI has a new version of ChatGPT for teenagers called ChatGPT for Teens. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The company says the chatbot is the same capable ChatGPT with extra tools and settings that support learning, creativity, and everyday life, along with age-appropriate protections. The teen version is designed to support real-world relationships and healthy habits. Beyond blocking romantic roleplay, the platform will reinforce that ChatGPT is AI and should not encourage emotional dependence or imply that it has feelings or consciousness. Parental controls can allow some oversight of when a teen can activate study mode and limit access to ChatGPT during quiet hours. But parental controls don't give a parent or guardian access to their teen's conversations in ChatGPT. Accounts identified by OpenAI as belonging to someone under age 18 will be automatically enrolled in the teen version. Apart from teen safeguards, many of the features are focused on studying and learning skills, including a dedicated study mode, along with reminders that will encourage breaks and make clear that ChatGPT is an AI tool. When study mode is active, a user can upload school materials like a syllabus, class notes, or a textbook excerpt, and ChatGPT will guide you with questions instead of giving the answers right away. This comes as OpenAI faces multiple lawsuits claiming ChatGPT drove people, including teens, to suicide and delusions. Although the company has denied the allegations, now ChatGPT for Teens will intervene in conversations on high-risk topics like self-harm, violence, eating disorders, and dangerous activities or graphic content. This mode also comes amid a growing backlash against the way online social media platforms keep younger users scrolling. ChatGPT for Teens has already started rolling out globally. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.